So today we are gonna show how you can add this type of animations perfectly in your websites. So let's begin. As you can see, here is no data. So I have to show a warning or a animation or a message to the users. So I'm gonna add an animation. For that, first of all, we have to find that animation. For the animation, I'm gonna use body animations. So if you go there, go for free animations. As I want an information for no data, so I'm gonna search for no data available. Search for the one you like. There are some premium ones. If you can afford, you can buy. I can't afford. That's why I'm gonna search for a free one. I guess I like this one. Okay, so go to download. Coming here, you can see lots of options where you can edit this animation. So my website is based on this color. It's a kind of purple color. So I'm gonna change my animation to that color. Go to color palette and choose what you want. Hmm, Not this one. Yeah, maybe this is one. Okay, so now press download. There are so many options here. You can download what you want, but the JSON is the most tiny text-based animation that only support default styles. Here you can see. So I'm gonna go for this download. You can see it is already downloaded. So on the next step. After download, transfer the data into your file that you are working on. I am working on a project. It is based on Laravel and Tailwind and Liveware also. So here you can see I have transferred the data into public assets folder. In assets folder, we have animation folder, and in the animation folder there is no data animations dot JSON that we have downloaded earlier. So we're gonna use this here. So as I have mentioned earlier that if here is no data, then there will be an animation. So to add the animation, first of all, I'm gonna take a div. I have to fix the position. Give me some time. I'm not gonna explain this as this is just normal tailwind. Let's just center. This is the main div, and I'm gonna take again a div in here. So I have to fix the class also. Step 500 PS. H also is 500. I'm gonna give a ID as we are going to use JavaScript for this. So animation for Gmail. Okay, all are nicely set. Oh, this will be PX, not PC. Now we have to add a CDN file to use this open CDN. So here it is body moving libraries. Simply copy it here. You can also download it, your packages into your project, but I'm gonna let it so simple. That's why I'm going to add a CDN file here. Here, just copy the URL and paste it into script file in the head. Then after the div, get a script tag. So first of all, we have to name a variable. So animation container. Now we have to call the body moving dot load animation. We have to call this method, and into this method we have to save some container. The container will be document dot get. We are getting this element by ID, so get element by ID. My copilot is showing this, so I'm gonna tab it. So now I'm gonna set the path. as I have set this path to assets, then check it. It is in assets animations. So assets animation, and the name is no data animation animation.json. Sorry. Now we have to set a render block. It will render the file into SVG format. It is the perfect format for this, and the loop will be true. Here it's true because it will load automatically when the page is being loaded. So I'm gonna set it as true, and also the autoplay will be true. Sorry, autoplay will be true. So we have to give a name also. Name will be no data pages, no data animations, and maybe we have all done. So here you can see, check the file. Oh, here it is. But I need it into center. For that, just by center, I make it wrong. It will be span. So refresh it. Okay, it's made it. So if we go to the mobile format, it's also working perfectly. So this was all for today. Thank you very much. Let me know in the comment section if you need anything else to know. I will show it later. Thank you. Maybe I think I don't need anything else. So